Connor, are you coughing? Connor, can you do this? No. Ow! Ow, goofball. Are you making cookies? Connor, what's this? Goofball. Okay, what does it do? Let's see what else. Are you choking? Do you want it? There you go, bud. What is that? Is that a ball? Is that kind of like a ball? You're a good boy. Look at how chunky you are. Connor, do you want to sing our ABCs? Good boy. Put your pinky back in your mouth. Let's sing. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Yay! Are you sleepy boy? What's this, Connor? Is this your monkey? Is this your monkey? Uh-oh, where'd it go? Smack your lips, Connor. Where'd it go? Where'd it go, Roly-Poly? You see it? There it is. I see it. You want your ball back? Connor, are you sleepy? Oh, okay, you're a grumpy baby. Too cute. Too cutie patootie. Oh no, where'd it go? Where'd it go? How you gonna get it, Connor? Ooh, what'd you find? Book. Is that a book? You like books, huh? Say hi to Grandma Great. Connor, say hi, Grandma Great. No, I'm too shy, he says. What is that? Is that a book with no pages? There's nothing in there. Connor, 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 can you say, Mama, Mama? I love you. Are you sleepy?